Today, I take you inside a traditional Iranian bakery to show you how Barbari and Sangak come to life, from simple dough to hot, fresh bread in minutes. Here, you can see traditional Iranian Barbari's bread we call Noon Barbari, one of the country's oldest and the most popular breads. After resting, the dough is shaped into a long oval and the baker creates its signature reached by hand. A glaze called romal is brushed on top to give the bread a shiny, aromatic finish. Finally, sesame or nigella seed are added before it goes into the hot oven. Just a few minutes later, fresh and warm Barbari bread is ready. And now, Sangak bread. We call Noon Sangak, one of the most traditional Iranian breads. The dough is softer than other breads and it's stretched over a large paddle. The baker skillfully spread the dough onto the hot bed of small stones, which gives sangak its unique texture and flavor. After just a few minutes in the oven, the fresh, light and aromatic sangak bread is ready. اگه تا اینجای ویدیو با من همراه بودی یعنی از این ویدیو خوشت اومده، پس با یه سابسکرایب و لایک ازم حمایت کن. ممنونم.
سلام